Entry 114.3.24. The light. The Bureau needed to think through how to safely manage the expected induced demand caused by their collective work. The combination of improved EV induction chargers installed district-wide, a nice bit of design by Avery's colleague by the way, and Avery's hydrant design began to worry the supervisors. The hydrant design had moved through user acceptance testing quicker than planned, was well into being certified by the brigade, and the design was being prepped for production. This earned Avery additional regard in the codex, and some unfortunate words from some of the supervisors after a walkthrough by local administrators. The service put companionship and cooperation between colleagues subordinate to the mission. And the mission was that the Bureau needed the group to evolve onto the next increment in order to mitigate any unintended consequences of their work, which was also noted in the codex. Avery's agent won the bid for the new traffic light. The design documents did not confirm if the new district streets were going to be mixed traffic, or if the streets were going to be set aside for only autonomous vehicles. These small details mattered, especially when it came to the size and weight of the vehicles popular amongst district residents. As usual, the group was forced to move faster than the policymakers in administration. Avery was sure this project was going to boomerang onto the board in a month due to the policy confusion, which would burn story points. Avery decided the best course of action was to submit 2 designs, both which satisfied the design requirements list as written, but in divergent ways. It was a gamble. The supervisors often rewarded decisive thinking, but this would allow the policymakers the option to choose. Avery knew that choices forced the administration into an uncomfortable position. They were assessed in ways Avery could not comprehend, but it seemed like they were often stuck in endless agent loops when judging seemingly quotidian things like a new traffic light design. Before more work could be done, the Vesper's klaxon sounded, ending the shift. It was time to retire to the barracks, while the safety net was still active. Vocalized by Audrey AI Program 1. End of entry. For more entries, enter in your control panel. jwp.news/Avery. End of control.